this YAM is here. So in downloading this, it will take around 1 to 2 hours. But for the fast download, I recommend using free download manager. It's pretty fast and free. It works for any type of file, usually linear or videos that take long time, from 1 hour that 1 hour video length that will take around 2 hours or 30 minutes. It will go down to like around 2 minutes or 12, 11 minutes. It really much help you and kinda make your life better with having this on. Pretty much anything faster with this. You have to check it out yourself. Anyway, after done downloading, you open the WinRAR and it will look like this. The first thing that you want to do is run this exe all in one runtime. That means you have to run this application only one time. For the other game that is from repack games, you don't have to run. Just one time is enough. Same with this. If you don't have DirectX, you just go into this and run the setup. After that, you just have to extract the file. Just this one. You don't need to like extract the whole things here because you don't need this stuff. So just only total void Shogun file. It say that it's Go edition, but actually in general it's called complete edition, so there's nothing to be worried. This one includes all the DLC and mod is also working except the multiplayer. So I have already extracted and put it to the new volume because it takes a lot of space. It's also because I have downloaded and made a lot of videos, so it takes a lot of space. Nothing to do with the Shogun 2, but it still does take a lot of space, so it's up to you where you will put it. Okay, let me see. Here it is. Alright, so usually the mod manager will not work. You have to download it from a website, which I'll give you the link in the description later. Now you open the mod manager. Here you can choose which mod or which part of the mod you want it to work. You can disable it and enable it anytime. But sometimes if you have too many mods or too many conflicts, you will not be able to launch the game at all. So yeah, you have to remove some mods. But in my case, I have the mod that changed the entire game. So it was confusing why it's not working, but yeah, it's changed the whole game. So that's why it didn't work with the auto mod. So I decided to remove that, and with the auto mod, like this expansion mod you're seeing here, it just worked completely fine. So the next thing is set the game directory on where your Total Shogun file is located. After done choosing, press OK. There we go. But if you have changed the file location, folder location, yeah, you have to do this again. Set the game directory. I located it at the new volume, so I go to new volume, open this, add it right here. Press OK and done. To make sure that nothing go wrong, you should always save, delete, use mod, or you can choose by yourself. It will tell you what to do anyway. So after that, you can enjoy your game. Done. Just press launch. But every time you play with mod, you have to use the mod manager. If you run with a Shogun, just Shogun exe file right here, it will not work. You have to go to mod manager and then press launch. Click on launch. That's it. Okay, now we'll be at the mod part. So in downloading mod, you just search up the mod you want. Open to expansion mod. Since this is crack one, it will not work with Steam. So I recommend using the moddb.com website, or you can just do like this. In case that the mod is only available on Steam, which is will not work with the crack, and you have to go to this website right here, Steam Workshop Downloader. Sorry, not this one. Let me check. It's this one. So all you gotta do is just copy the URL link, then paste it here. Click download and click at download again right here. There we go. It will start downloading the file. Now for the mod that are on Steam, everything is pretty much simple. You either click at the button right here, or go choose the version you by yourself down here at the file. Download now, and click on download again. There. And after it's done downloading, finish downloading, you just have to either move the file to your Shogun to data folder. This will be where the mod is located. Okay, go to the English folder right here. If it doesn't have the mod file in the first time you will open, you can just copy like this. Except this one. I didn't, place there, but I already have it, so I don't have to do it again. But for the user script, you have to just directly plug it into the Shogun 2 folder, which it will be around here, but mine just work fine for some reason. But I think you should just add it to here in case there will be problem occur, or it will just not work in case of some people, but mine work fine. Okay, let me check if I have it in here. I have it in the data folder. I guess it work either way. Anyway, that's it. Now you can enjoy your gameplay. Thank you for watching. See you again next time.